Hi everyone, what's up and welcome to my channel. Before I get into it, what do you think of the foundation? I've been trying a few new products lately and I've been thinking about getting an updated foundation routine video on my channel, so let me know if you're interested in that. I have been using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation with the Marc Jacobs Extra Shot Concealer, so if you'd like to see a review / tutorial, let me know and I can definitely get that up. But for today's video, it's sort of like a continuation of my previous video, which if you haven't seen that yet, I'll make sure to leave that in the description box below. For today, I will be working with the Norvina Vol.3 palette. This palette features a lot of more warm tone colors, definitely a lot of oranges and pinks with some pops of color in there as well. And just like the previous video, I will be drawing inspiration from her Vol.3 campaign. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, but let's get right into it. So the look that I will be drawing inspiration from today, like I had mentioned from her Vol.3 campaign, is this look right here. I'm obsessed with the colors in this look and I feel like she definitely does a lot of half cut creases, which I personally like to do myself. And I just figured that this would be the perfect blend of colors to feature from this palette. So jumping right in, I'm picking up the shade A3 on my M441 brush and packing this in my crease. And as you can see, this color is very pigmented, which, let's be honest, all of her eyeshadows are. But unlike her Volume 1 palette, this didn't seem to have as much fallout, which regardless if it did or if it didn't, the pigment is still there, so I'm fine with it either way. To deepen my creases, I'm now taking the shade A5 on the same brush and blending that slightly up from my creases to start a transition of color. I feel like I did this with a lot of my looks. Start with a lighter color and work my way to the darker colors. Obviously, you can do it however you like. I just find that this method works best for me. So now grabbing the shade B3 on my M433 brush and packing this heavily into my creases and barely blending this up. Also using this shade to create sort of a shape for my eyeshadows. Like I said earlier, this isn't entirely a recreation of her look because with her eyeshadow look, she has a different shape going on, but for me personally, I find that this shape works best with my eyes. For the purple that she used, I feel like she used a darker shade, but the shade B4 I really love and decided to use this for the look. So I'll be picking that shade up on my M514 brush and smoking out my outer corners. As always, I really didn't expect anything less, but her eyeshadows are super pigmented, and again, there's not much fallout. However, I will be using some of my Anastasia translucent setting powder to help further define the shape of my eyeshadows. Now cutting my creases with my Jeffree Star concealer in the shade C2 on my M224 brush, and only doing a half cut crease. Once my creases are blended out, I'll be using my M173 brush to blend the concealer out to create an even base for my eyeshadows. Dipping into the shade D5 with my M224 brush and a little bit of my MAC Fix Plus spray, I'll be setting my lids where I've cut my crease. Now taking that shade B4 again on my M514 brush and really smoothing out this cut crease for an even blend of colors. I also took some of the shade E5 to really help all of these colors blend smoothly. I love blending shimmer shades together. I feel like it just really helps transition everything smoothly. Rather than just going straight from a shimmer to a matte, this can really help just tie everything together. I also decided to add a bit of highlight to my inner corners as well as my brow bone, so I'm using the Anastasia loose pigment in the color Icy. Actually, I'm wearing that today. I like to add a little bit into my inner corners with all of my looks just to really help my eyes pop even more. I was contemplating whether or not I wanted to do a winged liner because I feel like it could really help complement the eyeshadow. However, I decided not to. So I'll be taking my e.l.f. black liquid liner and quickly lining my lash line. Prepping my lashes using my Anastasia mascara. And then going in with my velour lashes in the style Worst Behavior. I actually just recently picked these up, I think for like $5 at TJ Maxx, and I really love these lashes. I wanted something that was more kind of like wispy in the outer corners to really complement the eyeshadow since I didn't do winged liner, and I find that these were perfect. Quick side note in reference to lashes, if you guys are interested in maybe even seeing a lash tutorial, let me know as well. I get lots of people asking me how I apply my lashes, what lash glue I use, and I feel like that could be a really helpful video, so let me know down below. This is the point where in my video I realized my phone stopped recording, so that's always fun. I pretty much just took the shade A5, which is a really pretty like lime green color, on my JH37 brush and popped that in the inner corner of my bottom lash line and then smoked that out with the color B4. Same with the other look that she did for her Volume 1 palette. She also used bottom lashes in this campaign as well, so I made sure to come prepared, and I picked up some bottom lashes from the brand Ioni, or Ioni. I'm still not sure how to pronounce that, but these are $1 lashes. She has a wide range of styles. She even has lash glue, mascara, brow products, etc. If you have me on social media or if you've seen my dollar store video, then you may have heard me talk about these. I am in love with this brand, especially for the main fact that they are literally $1. And for today, I will be using her Wispy Dramatic Bottom Lashes. And then added a little gem right into the center. After recreating that look, by the way, I definitely have become obsessed with bottom lashes, so if you have any other recommendations on some good bottom lashes, make sure to let me know as well. I am obsessed with lashes. If you've seen any of my posts on social media, I'm sure you already know this, but I'm always looking for new products to try. And for the lip color that she did, I actually really love this choice. She did kind of like a burnt orange color, and I feel like it really complemented this entire look. So I lined my lips using the Mellow Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Aria, which, quick side note as well, I do have an affiliate code for Mellow Cosmetics, so if you'd like to save some money on any of their purchases, you can feel free to use that at checkout. And then filling in my lips using the Anastasia Staycation Matte Lipstick. And that is it. I really love this look. I feel like it is the perfect summer vibe kind of makeup look, but again, you have a lot of options within just one palette. I feel like I do say that a lot, but it's honestly something that I look for when purchasing new palettes, especially if I'm going to be purchasing something that is more of a high-end product. It's just nice to have options and to not feel like you're limiting yourself with an eyeshadow palette, especially again at that price. But I'll go ahead and stop repeating myself. I've left all of the links in the description box below if you'd like to check out any of these products. I feel like these palettes overall are just a great investment if you're looking for something new. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. Let me know if you'd like to see an updated foundation routine. I think the only one that I kind of have is very old, so it'd be nice to just get something new and something updated on my channel. I'm constantly trying new products and new routines, so feel free to leave me some recommendations. I'd love to hear back from you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. Other than that, that is it, and I can't wait to see you on the next one. Bye.